A whale just dropped 112K on ZBCN in the last 6 hours. Kraken just went live with US trading, causing a 21% surge, and we're only 5 months away from the final token unlock. If you're not paying attention to Zebec Network right now, you might be sleeping on one of 2025's biggest plays. What's up, crypto family? Welcome back to Goldrush Crypto Daily. Today we're diving deep into ZBCN, and trust me, the momentum building around this project is absolutely insane. If you're bullish on the future of programmable money and real-time finance, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Before we jump in, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We're bringing you daily crypto alpha, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's kick things off with the biggest catalyst this week. ZBCN just went live on Kraken exchange, and the market responded exactly how you'd expect. According to ZBCN Man, this wasn't just any listing. This opened the floodgates for US traders and fueled an immediate 21% price surge. We're talking real volume, real access, and real momentum. Now here's why this matters beyond just the price pump. Kraken isn't listing random tokens. They have strict vetting processes, regulatory compliance, and a reputation to protect. When they list a project like ZBCN, that's institutional validation. That's a signal to the broader market that this isn't just another speculative play. This is legitimate infrastructure being recognized by major exchanges. And check this out. Within just the last 2 hours of the Kraken listing, the transaction volume has been absolutely wild. According to analysis from RWA365, Kraken appears to be positioning themselves for massive future order flow. They're not just testing the waters, they're preparing their infrastructure for what they clearly expect to be sustained demand. That's the kind of behind-the-scenes action that tells you smart money is paying attention. Speaking of smart money, let's talk about what the whales are doing, because this is where things get really interesting. RWA365 caught something absolutely massive. One single ZBCN whale wallet accumulated nearly 29 million tokens in just 6 hours, valued at $112,000. That's not retail FOMO, that's calculated strategic accumulation. When you see whale wallets moving like this, especially right after a major exchange listing, it tells you something important. The big players believe there's significant upside ahead. These aren't emotional trades. Whales operate on information, market structure, and long-term conviction. The fact that they're buying aggressively at current prices should make you pause and think about what they know that the market hasn't fully priced in yet. And here's the kicker. This is happening while ZBCN sits at a $356 million market cap, ranked in a 134 on CoinMarketCap. With 86,000 plus active wallet holders and climbing, we're still in early accumulation phase territory. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say the catalyst everyone's watching. Crypto Lord dropped a crucial reminder that we're just 5 months away from the final token unlock for ZBCN. After that, the supply becomes deflationary with an active buyback and burn program in place. If you've been in crypto for more than 5 years, you know exactly what this setup means. Limited supply plus growing demand equals price appreciation. It's basic economics. But it's more than that. The team has engineered a tokenomic structure that rewards long-term holders and punishes short-term speculation. Once that final unlock happens and the deflationary mechanisms kick into high gear, the supply dynamics completely shift. Right now, we're in what many veterans are calling the smart accumulation zone. The market hasn't fully priced in what happens when sell pressure from unlocks completely disappears and buy pressure from actual utility, global payroll, cross-chain payments, DePIN infrastructure, continues to grow. That's a supply-demand imbalance waiting to explode. But let's zoom out for a second and talk about why ZBCN isn't just another token pump. It's infrastructure for the future of finance. Alpha Lion recently highlighted something crucial. While other projects are still talking about programmable money and real-time finance, Zebec is actually building it. They're streaming value across 17 plus blockchains, powering global payroll systems, enabling instant payments, and building DePIN infrastructure that actually works. But let's zoom out for a second and talk about why ZBCN isn't just another token pump. It's infrastructure for the future of finance. Alpha Lion recently highlighted something crucial. While other projects are still talking about programmable money and real-time finance, Zebec is actually building it. They're streaming value across 17 plus blockchains, powering global payroll systems, enabling instant payments, and building DePIN infrastructure that actually works. This isn't vaporware, this is live functioning technology solving real-world problems. The recent redesign of Zebec.io showcases a sleek, professional platform that reflects the maturity of the project. They're not just focused on token price, they're focused on building the rails for the next generation of financial infrastructure. And during the World Mobile Spaces event, discussions around real-world card utility showed how DePIN and PayFi are converging into something genuinely transformative. The institutions are watching, the infrastructure is being built, and ZBCN holders are positioned at the ground floor. All right, crypto family, let's wrap this up. Here's what you need to know. ZBCN just landed on Kraken with a 21% surge. Whale wallets are accumulating aggressively. We're 5 months from the final unlock with deflationary tokenomics kicking in, and the project is building real infrastructure across 17 plus chains. The setup is absolutely bullish. My take? This is one of those moments where momentum, fundamentals, and timing align. The market is starting to wake up to what's being built here, and we're still early enough that accumulation makes sense. What do you think about ZBCN's potential? Are you accumulating before the final unlock? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what the community is thinking. If you found this analysis valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for daily crypto updates. Tomorrow, we're diving into another project making waves in the DeFi space. You won't want to miss it. Until then, stay bullish, stay informed, and remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. I'll catch you in the next one.